guys, welcome to another BODYFX tutorial. Today I am just showing you some new Sugarpill colors that we got in store and also how to do these cute little basic flowers. To start off my eye makeup, I'm first starting off with this color called Text Me, and it's kind of just like a nice matte beige color, and I'm just putting that in my crease. Now the next color that I'm using is this really pretty, it's kind of like a shimmery pink, but it's got a little bit of a gold tint to it as well, and it's called SWAK. Now to add a little bit of extra depth to the corners of my eyes and underneath my eyes as well, I'm using this really beautiful shimmery red, and this one is called Kiss Kiss. Now coming in from the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to use this really pretty color. It is like a light peachy shimmery color, and it's called Wink. To add a highlight on my brow bone, I'm now using this color, and it is a nice shimmery white, and this one's called Diamond Eyes. So that's just some of the Sugarpill colors that we've got in stock now. After this, I also applied some mascara and a little bit of black eyeliner. And now I'm going to go in with this really beautiful liquid lipstick called Strange Love, also by Sugarpill. So that is the makeup part all done. So I'll show you guys how to do these really cute little flowers now. So I'm using that color again, Kiss Kiss by Sugarpill, and I'm just creating a shadow for underneath my flowers. And now I'm going to use this matte black eyeshadow by Sugarpill as well, and this one is called Bulletproof, just to darken up my shadows a little bit. Now using a small round brush and a dark red face paint, I'm just going in and creating these little leafy things coming from the shadows. This color is called Deep Merlot, and it is a global face paint. And now using a slightly thicker round brush, this one is really nice for doing little petals. I've dipped it in some tag white and then dipped the tip into a little bit of red. And I'm just creating these little petals just by pushing down my brush. And then you have your first little flower. So you just want to add more flowers until all of that eyeshadow that you put down is covered, and you can just add a couple of little petals as well, just to give it a little bit more flow, and so it's not just straight little round flowers, it also has a couple of little petals coming off of it. And now you can add some extra little details as well. I'm going with this nice dark red face paint and adding a few little dots around my flowers. You can also put some of these red dots inside the inside of your flowers. Just to give my flowers a little bit of a highlight as well, I'm just going in with a tag white and I'm just adding a few little tiny dots just on the inside of the flowers as well. So those are my flowers all finished. You can also add some glitter to it if you like. So as you can see, this is a really nice, easy, quick face painting trick for little kids or festivals or anything really. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I'll catch you next time.